G'day, it's Mark here at Vanessa Mobile Camping. Today we're looking at the Volkswagen Caddy and how to install the kitchen. And we actually have our brand new Caddy Kitchen in the new Bulli decor look. Bulli in German means Buslieferwagen, which is Kombi in English. And this is the Bulli decor, a really lovely, new, durable wood grain timber look. It's just quite striking. First time I've had it in Australia here at the end of 2020. Let's have a look at Stephen's Caddy. It's a Caddy short wheelbase, however that makes no difference for the installation of the kitchen. We've cleared out the back. It's a passenger variation of the vehicle with all the interior linings. And our first step is to remove the tie-down point. So the Caddy Kitchen is going to be secured into the vehicle with the tie-down points. We can do that when we open the kitchen. We have some instructions in the drawer, and we have some bolts, 4 of them in fact, 4 bolts along with an Allen key. No, it's not an IKEA exercise, but we do need to use the Allen key to remove these. Now we've pre-loosened them just to speed this up. I'll pop the Allen key in, remove out the 2 tie-down points. We'll do that on this side as well. They're already loosened off and ready to go. We set these aside, in fact, usually into the same bag from which we're taking our bolts. I'm going to pop the bolts in there, pop our tie-down points into the bag, and I'll retain them for future use. Okay, so once that is done, my next step is to remove a couple of drawers from the Caddy, ready to install into the vehicle. I'm going to take out the bottom drawer. If you look underneath here, there are 2 great big orange Blum clips. Squeeze them together, pull it backwards a bit, and lift it up and out. And I can put that under my installation trolley in a sec. I'll take out this side as well. Same idea. Take that out. And I can see here, there are 2 holes here which match up perfectly with the tie downs that we have just removed. So I'll just pop this aside and we'll get ready now to install this into the Caddy. So we need a bit of assistance just to lift it in, so we'll ask Gabriel to give us a hand. Welcome, Gabriel. Now we're going to take the water tank lid off, just to make it a little bit easier to grip and not get confused to lift it by the water tank lid. So I use 2 hands, lift it up, that's off, put that aside. I'm now not tempted to put all the weight on the water tank lid. Just make sure the cable is not in the way. We don't put the kitchen down on top of the cable, so I might just pop it up there for a sec. Line him up, and we've now got these gripping points. We've got the gripping points where the drawers were. We can now lift it carefully, slide him in. I'll put the trolley out of the way for a sec. Opening up, just open up my drawer, grab my 4 bolts and my Allen key, pop that there, and now we just need to line this up. So here is the tie-down points. It's just got to go back a little bit, forward a little bit. I can almost see that perfectly. How are we going there, Gabriel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, let's maybe shift it slightly there. So there's one for you, Gabriel. One for me. See if we can line that up. It's not quite straight here. How are you going?
Pretty good.
Almost right?
Yeah.
Okay, that feels good now. I'm going to get my second one. We're just going to do it really loosely at first. So while we've still got a bit of play. Just finger tight. Is that looking good? It's looking pretty straight. So now we can get our Allen key and tighten that up. So I'll just do it vertically so it's a little bit faster first. That is almost done. Just do it flat for the final piece. My Allen key flat, so I get a little bit of extra leverage on it. There we go. Okay, that's tight. Last one. And that is completed. So now we're ready. Pop that back where it came from. Now we are ready to put our large drawers in. Pull those out, rest it on there, and slide it in. Pull the drawer runners out and rest it on. And slide that in. That's verified to be connected. Verified connected. I've got my 12 volt to plug in to the side here. This particular caddy is a passenger caddy and already has the 12 volt there, so it's ready to plug in. Pop the lid back on. Pull the fridge out. We have the light on the fridge, we can see the power is connected, and we can now turn the fridge on. That's starting up, 20 degrees, that'll start to cool down, green for power, and we can hear the sink pump running really nicely. The Caddy Kitchen installation is complete. Any questions, pop them in the comments below, and we'll do another video shortly on how to install the sleep system.